Although it no longer shows it, the history of this flag consists of stars and spinning wheels. This is the flag of the Republic of India. We start with this red ensign in 1880, issued by the British, which housed the Star of India. During the earlier 20th century, some interesting replacements were proposed, but it was this rather odd ensign which took over in 1916. In April 1921, Gandhi proposed that a new flag should be designed and asked Pingali Venkayya to come up with something that had red for Hindus and green for Muslims and a spinning wheel. A white stripe was later introduced to represent all other religions. In 1931, this was amended to something akin to what we have now. In 1947, the British Governor, General Mountbatten, suggested this ensign style, but it was rejected, and instead the current flag was adopted on the 22nd of July 1947, with the orange saffron meaning that the leaders must be indifferent to material gains and dedicate themselves to the work, white is for the path of truth, green for the plant life which everyone depends on, and the Chakra wheel with 24 spokes for truth and virtue, as well as representing motion to show that people accept change and move forward. In September 2019, the Indian flag became the 5th national flag to be on the lunar surface, but this was only because the satellite it was painted on crash landed on the moon. To find out what other countries have a flag on the moon, you're going to need to click here.